So the first thing that I do with my kids is I tell them to turn the prompt into a why or how question because it's open-ended. I also point out that the write an essay explaining how conflict, or write an essay explaining, or write an essay explaining your position, that's the prompt part, not the rest of it. And it's got to be a why or how question because it's open-ended. That way they can actually write something. I don't want to see yes or no in their essays. So they turn it into a question and then they answer that question, and that becomes their thesis statement. And when I first start writing, I tell them they can just start their paper with their thesis statement. The intro or the hook can come later. The second step is to create a list of topics or ideas. So it would be maybe a T-chart of how conflict does change someone on one side and how it doesn't change someone on another side, on the other side. And then it's got to have personal. It can have personal, but I really want them looking at historical examples or from text or from literature or movies that they've seen, getting outside of themselves, but personal examples still work because fours have had personal examples. Then the last step, I really wait till after they write their essay, but sometimes you can do it before their essay. You can use the prompt, this whole paper or the T-chart to find synonyms. But if you have them write their paper and then go back through and read it, they can circle words that they've repeated. They shouldn't repeat a word more than twice. And they can circle those words and find them in the thesaurus and change them out.